I'm here. I'm coming. Ooh, I need to hurry up. Oh.
Huh?
She's coming now.
Huh? Whatever.
Lizzie! You little monster!
Girls! You're grounded for 2 weeks!
Oh no! It's unfair! Goodbye, my crush! Bye, my friends! What? Stop stealing my stuff! Hi guys, so today we are having a makeup tutorial. And now that's how you make. Come here! Oh, you're famous now! This one. Skincare is important. Now I feel fresh.
Mr. Dinosaur on the move. Clear. Wow.
Anyway. Ooh, that's something interesting. Can't wait to see the result. Didn't work.
Oh! I knew I was doing everything correctly.
Freedom! Tomorrow is the day! I need to find an outfit! Ooh! Ooh, that's nice! Yeah! Not again! I have one more! I have an idea! My turn to steal your clothes.
One minute, Mr. Biggie. It's not fashionable like that.
This is my clothes! Bonnie, wait! Why? What do you want?
I like it!
But how? This is not for eating. I have been growing my hair for so
I need to
Where are you? Order something.
I can buy so much food.
That's not enough. Here.
You tricked me.
Only 2 minutes left.
Can you read me a bedtime story, please?
No, I'm late.
You're not going anywhere until you read her bedtime story.
But Mom.
No.
Where you going? My book.
I will come later. Once upon a time, and they lived happy ever after. Ooh.
Mom said I'm already an adult.
Oh, you're my little princess.
Nah, cleaning teeth is enough.
It feels like something's missing. Exactly. This is for you, my Pika.
Oops, I've tried.
Hi, I'm Charlie. Let's be friends.
Hi, I'm Rob. Let's get married.
Don't worry, Pika. I will never give you to anybody. Oh.
Huh. OMC, by the way.
Whoa.
I hate homework, but I'll do it in advance. And you records.
4. Also 4.
1 plus 1 equals 2. I can count anything for you. 2 kids passing by, 4 cars on a line. 6 pencils that I like, 1 candy that I'll try, and I know 1 more. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Look how good I am at counting. Look how good I am at counting.
Wow! I want this. I'll do it. And this one. And this one. I have so much energy.
I'm so tired.
Mommy! I miss my school.
Don't worry, Charlie. You will definitely dream about it.
Time to go to school. Who am I kidding?
Girls, here's your lunch.
Thanks, Mommy.
A bottle of water?
You said you were on a diet.
$2, Mom? Thank you.
Oh no, what a disgrace. Oh no, I have to face my mom and my dad. Oh no, I failed. Oh no, what a grade. Oh no, I'm so ashamed. Oh no.
Wow! We have the same clothes.
Stop copying me!
No, you stop copying me.
You stop copying me!
TikTok battle, girls. In 3, 2, 1.
Don't you dare to give up. Don't you dare to give in. I am here to back you up. I am here to help you.
Yeah, bravo's you.
Okay, kids. How much is 7 times 8? Robbie? Kitty? Mia? Okay, it doesn't matter.
2. Question. How many amendments were made to the US Constitution?
You have 20 people in the class. What should I answer? Oh, come on!
Charlie.
Finally, I'm alone with my coffee.
Hey, Sue.
You!
Oh no, pickup tutorial were much easier. Ow.
I hate sports.
See, always till lunchtime. I have no choice.
Detention! Only I can eat in this class.